Hello everyone and welcome to this very short tutorial on how to set chapter markers in Final Cut Pro 10. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you download this app here. It's called Creator's Best Friend. Go in Final Cut and open your latest project. Go to the very beginning and tap M. As you can see, there's now a little marker. Tap on that and make sure you select this one here. This is going to be your first chapter marker. You can name it, for instance, intro. You repeat that with every chapter and you can name them like you want. After you've finished setting all these chapter markers down here, you click on that icon right here and then you take your project file and put it into this app. Then you have all your chapters and the only requirement is that none of these chapters is less than 10 seconds. Say copy to clipboard, then it says copied. And now you're going into the video description on YouTube and paste it. That's it. If you have any further questions, please make sure you leave a comment below. And if you don't want to miss anything in the future, please hit that subscribe button. See you soon. Bye bye.